Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the polynomial tutorial part 3, which is also expanding polynomials. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are in one unit. Please make sure you watch all of them at once. And then please make sure you watch part 1, 2 before you proceed. And this part, we're going to talk about trinomials. Okay, we're also going to use the binomials and then monomials part. So if you don't understand the first two part, it's really there's no point to watch this part. All right, so just let's start. All right, so we see this question here. We got this is what? This is a binomial, right? And then this is a trinomial. We got three terms here. Okay, again, shake hand rule. You have two people here. You got three people here. So you visit their house, just like one handshake, two handshake, three handshake, and then four, five, and six. Total will be six handshake here. So we also call them FOIL them in, right? Just FOIL one by one, and then one by one. Like total there are six multiplications. Okay, and then let's do these things together. So 4x times 2 will be 4x times 2 will be 8x. Okay, and then 4x times 3x, which is 12x squared. Again, if you don't know where this come from, go back to read part 1, part 2. Just going to write result here. I'm not going to explain why is 12x squared. So yeah, just make sure you watch all the tutorial before. Okay, 4x and then minus y 4xy. Okay, and then this negative 3y times 2, negative 6y, negative 3y plus times positive 3x will be negative 9xy, and then negative 3y times negative y will be positive 3y squared. Okay, now let's collect the like terms here. So looking for x squared, there's no x squared, right? So 12x squared will be here, and then we remove this one. Okay, we know we already did this part. Okay, so anything else? We have a 4xy here. We got minus 9xy. So these two parts can combine, which is become minus 13xy. Right? We combine it, we throw these two, and then we got negative 13xy. And then we have a negative 6y, there's nothing else. We got 8x, there's nothing else. We got 3y squared. So that's it. Make sense? All right, the next one. So this one, we have a binomial here. However, we got a square and then 2x plus 1. Okay, so pretty much we need to expand these things and then time this. So I'm going to use the shortcut I taught before. So if you don't know what is shortcut about, just go back to read part 2, okay? So a plus b square just equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so this is our a, so it'll be 9x squared. This is our b, negative 1 squared is positive 1. 2ab in between will be negative 1 times 3x equal to negative 3x times 2, negative 6x, like that. And then 2x plus 1. Now I'll fold them in. Now this time like 3 people visit 2 people. It'll be 1 handshake, 2 handshake, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 9x squared times 2x will be 18x cubed. 9x squared times 1 will be 9x squared. Negative 6x, 2x, negative 12x squared, negative 6x. And then positive 2x, positive 1. Collect the like term here. 18x cubed, nothing. 9x squared minus 12x squared, so minus 3x squared. Okay? Minus 6x plus 2x minus 4x plus 1. And we're done. Okay? Yeah, so far so good. Okay, the cubic. Okay, so we got a cubic rules. Say 2x minus 3 square, 2x minus 3. Okay? So I'm going to do one sessions alone about this kind of things. Okay, we got an easier way to do these things, but for now, I'm just going to show you how to do trinomials, multiplications. I'm not going to do that. But if you haven't heard a thing called Pascal triangles, and then we're going to do something on the later sessions. And then we're going to use this one. So this thing is supposed to equal to a plus b cubic equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Okay, so again, this is just give you a little bit head up about what we're going to learn in the futures. And then if you like, you're interested about this, please, after you finish these videos, please go search my other videos. When we're talking about Pascal triangles, I have talked about this part. Okay, so right now I remove this. Okay, so now let's do traditional way. Okay, let's expand this two first. So this is part will be a squared, which is the 4x squared, and then b squared will be 9, and then in between negative 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x minus 12x, and negative 6x times 2 is negative 12x, and then 2x minus 3. And then if we expand it, will be 8x cubed minus 12x squared minus 24x squared, and then minus 36, positive 36x, and then plus 18x, and then minus 27. Okay, good. And then let's arrange this. Let's put in here. I have kind of a little bit crowd here. Okay, 8x cubed, and then we got a negative 12, negative 24, total is negative 36x squared, and then that's 36 and 18, total is a 54x minus 27, and then we're done. Okay, so again, there's an easier way to do that, but I'm not going to talk about it in here. Okay, so if you like, you can follow my other tutorials. Okay, so this one, so 3 by 3, so 3 people, 3 people, so total will be how many handshake? 9 handshake, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I'm going to clean up a little bit here. Okay, I decided to clean it all up. Okay, it's like because this one is pretty long, and then we need to make sure I can write in enough space. All right, so let's see here. So these terms times these terms, negative 2, negative 3 will be positive 6x fourths. All right, and next one will be negative 2, negative 3, negative 6, negative 2, positive 3, negative 6, and then x cubed. And then this term times this will be positive 4x squared. And then these things will be positive 3x cubed. This one, okay? And then this one will be minus 3x squared. The next one will be positive 2x. And then now it's plus 1. 1 times this is negative 3x squared. And then plus 3x and minus 2. Okay, now you see why I need this much space. Okay, so let's collect the like term here. 6x fourths will be here, so that one is gone. And then looking for x cubed terms, this is 2x cubed terms, which is minus 3x cubed, because negative 6, positive 3, right? And then this is 4, this is negative 3, will be total is positive 1, right? And then here is minus 3. So it's a minus 2x squared, and then 2x, 3x plus 5x, and then minus 2. And then that will be done. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that is correct orders. Okay, I'm not worried about you guys have a problem with understanding these kind of questions, but it is really easy to make mistakes. So many students have making mistakes. They forgot the plus, they forgot the minus, and they forgot times, they forgot the power, and then there's really nothing we can do. That is we call them silly mistakes. Okay, so just try your best and then use this method, cross out if the things you already add up. Okay, so it might help a lot. All right, so if you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer the question in my next videos. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.